Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by switching your calculator to the correct mode, because sin depends on degrees versus radians. First, press mode and pick DEG if your angle is in degrees, or RAD for radians. Once done, clear any previous entry with C or AC so nothing interferes. Then type the numeric angle directly, for example 30 for 30 degrees, or 0. 5,236 if you know radians. Now you have the angle ready, and the device is set to compute sine. Next, compute the sine itself and understand how your specific calculator handles functions. On many scientific models, you press the sin button first, then type the angle, then close parentheses and press equals. On others, you type the angle and then hit sin. This is postfix behavior. So, if unsure, test with sin 30 degrees, you should see 0. 5 in DEG mode. Make sure the display still shows DEG or RAD. Otherwise, you'll get wrong numerical results. To finish, validate and if necessary, troubleshoot. Compare your output to a known benchmark like sin 30 degrees equals 0, 5 or sin 90 degrees equals 1. This quick check confirms mode and entry correctness. If the number seems wrong, clear the calculator, reselect DEG or RAD, and re-enter the angle carefully, paying attention to parentheses. For compound expressions, use parentheses explicitly. For example, sin 45 plus 15, so the calculator evaluates the inside first. That one step prevents most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.